create a pie chart and also a line chart in Google Sheet. So my best buddy User Guiding is going to help me to create this store. Let's just watch him. So this was it, and now I'm just going to show you how I created this easy product guide by using my platform. How I created the guide. So let's begin with the first step. We're going to go to tooltips. We're going to use this tooltip, create from scratch. Right. I want my users to proceed when the element is clicked, so I'm going to choose this one, and I'll be doing the same thing for the next steps as well. I want to give the ability to interact with the page. Right, this step is done. Don't forget to save it. Next step. Right. We're doing the same things again. Save. Last step. Okay, buddy, come here. Okay, this was it, done. So guys, as you can see, it was pretty easy. I hope this is going to help you out as well. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.